Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about AAEON UP710S is its smallest mini PC powered by Intel N series processor. So friend, AAEON has released the UP710S8, the company's smallest Intel processor and powered mini PC with Wi-Fi support, measuring just 92 into 77 into 38 mm. So friend, the mini PC position as a compact platform for companies to upgrade industrial automation setup. The UP710S is available in models featuring the full Intel processor and series family, formerly Alder Lake-N, as well offering 8-bit GPIO with optional SPI, I2C, and PWM, and its first for the product line. In addition to its GPIO, and the UP710H introduced both COM port for RS-232, 432, and 485, and the M.2 2230 key slot to the series, and granting user convenient Wi-Fi support and rounding the system IO 3 USB Type-A port with USB 3.2 Generation 2 signal, gigabit Ethernet port, Windows 11, and HDMI output. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.